Hey ladies, struggling to fit in a workout with a busy schedule? Let me share how a simple 15-minute daily routine transformed my fitness journey. I spent weeks trying to find an effective workout that fits into my hectic life. Finally, I built a 15-minute routine that targets belly fat and fits perfectly into any schedule. I survived the initial challenges of staying consistent, but I saved time and got fantastic results. My belly fat melted away, and my overall health improved. Here's the quick and effective routine. Jumping jacks. Start with these to get your heart rate up and kickstart your metabolism. Standing side crunches. These target your obliques and help slim down your waist. High knees elevates your heart rate and engages your core. Reverse crunches focus on tightening your lower abs and reducing belly fat. I faced hurdles like fitting workouts into my day and keeping motivation high, but seeing the progress kept me going. Physically, I noticed a flatter belly, and mentally, I felt more confident and energetic. Are you in a busy life? Fresh Juice Original is perfect for quick, nutritious smoothies. With over 100 5-star reviews and free shipping, it's a must-have. Check the link in the description to get yours now. If you're dealing with pain, low energy, or mobility issues, Strength Training for Seniors offers 45+ easy exercises to boost your strength and confidence. Get your copy now with 5-star reviews and free shipping. Link in the description. To keep track of your progress and stay motivated, the Fitness Tracker is your go-to tool. It effortlessly monitors your calories, steps, and sleep, and it's waterproof. Grab yours now with 5-star reviews and free shipping. Click the link below. Stay consistent, keep pushing forward, and remember, every minute you invest brings you closer to your fitness goals. You've got this.